Hey guys, I'm waiting for my friend to come back out of Aldi, but I got this chocolate chip dessert thing that I'm gonna try with stuff later. But I got this cheesecake that I look-key trying to eat now because it's like frozen, so I don't have a fork, but like it's fine. It's turtle one. Oh, I see her. She's putting the cart away right now. Bestie boo. Oh my god, my phone. I think it's fine, but like that's what she looks like. Very scrumptious. Oops. There we go. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god, Aldi cheesecake is so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So you don't have a fork. Looks like you figured that one out.
It's like frozen. I'm recording this for my YouTube.
Oh. Do I get
Would you like to be in it?
Yeah, if I get the taste test.
Yeah.
Do I get the other one? Thank you.
Oh.
Ooh, I was about to say it's like a turtle sundae. The flavor is turtle.
Their
Spot
cheesecake is
on.
really good. There's a strawberry one.
Spot
Other than the normal,
on.
I like normal cheesecake though. I feel like I like all cheesecake. I like blueberry cheesecake. Sounds really good.
This is so good.
This is the sweet tooth I needed. Oh my god, I would eat this like every day. Poopies. My dad put that on my car. But you should go to Aldi and get their cheesecake. I'm excited to try this though.
This is a 10 out of 10. Like, this tastes better than the Cheesecake Factory.
Honestly, it says to try this cookie dough dip with like graham crackers, pretzels, or something else. I feel like that'd be good. I don't know. Oh. I don't know what this is.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Mine.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, the beach.
Garbage bag. Yeah. Oh, there's a dumpster right there, but I don't know if I can use it because it's like whatever.